Namaste. खुश रहो बिटिया. I, Jayvin Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic study of family planning devices and pregnancy diagnostic test. This topic belongs to the Human Anatomy and Physiology lab. So now we come to the description. Low cost, accurate urine pregnant test are simple tool that can be used to rule out pregnancy for some women and help increase access to same day provision of family planning method. Guidance from the World Health Organization indicates that for hormonal contraceptives, a woman can initiate a method if her health care provider is reasonable certain she is not pregnant. Because many family planning providers in developing countries rely on the presence of menses to rule out pregnancy among clients. Women who are not menstruating at the time they visit the clinic are routinely denied same day provision of family planning. Pregnancy for women, in addition to ruling out pregnancy for women seeking family planning, pregnancy test may offer other reproductive health benefits. For example, for women seeking health service because they want to know their pregnancy status. The context may be an ideal teachable moment to offer follow-up family planning, counseling, and provisions. For women who are using progestin, only hormonal contraceptives, pregnancy testing can reassure those who worry that they are pregnant when they experience the normal side effect of amenorrhea. Efficacy and proper use of accuracy. Two types of urine pregnancy test are currently available. Both type employ test strip that detect human chorionic gonadotropin (HCG) level in the urine to determine the likelihood of pregnancy. In the first type, the user hold a test strip in the urine stream to capture a mid-stream sample. In the second type, the user capture a urine sample in a cup and then dips a test strip into the cup, known as a dip strip test. With both types, the user only has to wait a few minutes before viewing the result window on the test strip, which indicates whether the user is likely pregnant. Most tests also have a control indicator to indicate whether the test is working properly. Dip strip tests are less expensive than the midstream test and are typically used to low resource setting. Blood tests for pregnancy status are always available and very effective, but their cost is remain most developing countries. So individual indication for birth control. Contraception is practiced by most couple for personal reason. Many couples use contraception to space their children or to limit their family size. Others desire to avoid uh, childbearing because of the effects of presenting illness on the pregnancy, such as severe diabetes or heart disease. For all of these types of diseases, clinician and provide accurate information about the benefit and risk of both pregnancy and contraceptions. However, medical condition that may substantially increase the risk of using some form of contraception usually increase the risk associated with pregnancy to an even great extent. Legal aspects of contraception. Contraceptives are prescribed, demonstrated, and throughout most of the United States. without restriction, despite high rate of unprotected intercourse and untended pregnancy. The pros and cons of providing contraceptive information and material to teenagers have been vigorous debated. Most states either have legislation that permits access to contraception for person under 18 years or have not addressed the issue legislative. This is the complete protocol. This session is powered by digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, uh, and I hope you will satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you and thank you for the listening.